froze up.
Randomly shut off?
Huh?
Oh, weird.
Yeah, it just froze up.
Back tire just locked up?
Yeah.
Frick. That's weird. Hopefully it's just like a rock in the sprocket or something.
You think it would do it?
Yeah, see if it kicks over. Weird. Ooh. Not sounding too good. Rev it up again.
Huh?
It sounds like it's really lagging.
Yeah.
Like when you rev it up, it revs down really quick.
I
So
wonder if that much dust has gotten in the air filter.
yeah, either that or something's going on with the engine. Let's see, you have to pull the seat to look at the air filter. Did you just clean it recently?
Yeah, I replaced it when I rode last weekend.
Mm-hmm. What about?
Last time I rode.
Yeah. What about oil? You've been watching that?
Yeah, it's when I checked it was 3/4, and I do need to change the oil, but it just wasn't looking that murky.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah, it doesn't sound too good. Like it just wants to idle down really quick. That means something's really dragging inside the engine.
Yeah.
Try it one more time. Yeah, it runs fine at idle. Give it a little bit of throttle. Huh. Does it usually idle down that quick?
Not that quick.
Where you rev it up and it drops right away? Yeah, I don't know if I'd risk riding it that much more before something really drastic happens.
Yeah. This thing just went for back to the truck and...
Yeah. The easiest way to tell would be if you pull your air or oil filter off, and if there's, I'm hoping it's not crank, because if it's crank there'll be like copper shavings in there, and that'll be the first indicator of it. Oh, do you have any tools?
Yeah, I've got a tool set in the truck. You could just feel it lagging.
Yeah.
And just lagging, and it's getting tougher and tougher, more resistance, and finally just...
Yeah, I would just go grab your truck and not risk blowing it up completely. Yeah, it's kind of a common thing with them.
What's that?
The crank. It's happened on 2 of my bikes. On those where the crank wears out and then it starts getting really, really laggy and like it just dragging the whole time.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing like we pull that oil filter cover, there's just gonna be a bunch of copper shavings in there. So
how much is that gonna cost to fix?
You gotta pull the whole motor all the way down, so it's pretty spendy. I'm hoping it's not that.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's something else, but it doesn't sound too good at all. But yeah, if you have a shop do, it's like over 1,000.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Is it possible to do it by myself?
You could. You need quite a bit of tools.
Yeah.
You gotta have, I don't know. There's a lot of things to worry about when you do it.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah. It's not fun. That's freaking dirt bikes for you. You never know when it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Just shit happens all the time. I just have to hop on here and
What's that?
Go nut to butt all the way back.
Yeah.
That'll be fun. Shit.
Bet it's been a while since you had this much fun.
No. You can just go up on the pegs.
What's that?
You can put your feet up.
This video's gonna blow the fuck up. Bullshit.
Pull it off. See what's in there. Holy shit, there's a ton of them in there. Yeah, pull that filter out. God. Yep, that's it. All those copper shavings. That is the crank, or the rod bearing, I should say. Whew, not good. Yeah, you see down there, all those copper shavings. That is what did it. So that'll lock up the bottom end right away. So in case you guys didn't catch what was going on there, my buddy Jeff and I were cruising along at the RV park, just going down the trail, and then all of a sudden his rear tire locked up and the engine shut off. So right away we knew there was something really wrong with that engine. So we pulled that oil filter cover off, and there were just a ton of copper shavings in there. So not a good sign at all. And that engine is gonna have to be torn all the way down to fix it. So I got a question for you guys. Would you like to see Jeff and I tear this engine all the way down, fix it, and get it back running? If this video gets 5,000 likes within a week, we'll go ahead and do that. So right now I want you to go down below, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and we'll see what happens. All right guys, keep it prime.
Somehow we got it out.
Oh wow. Took them long enough.
Yeah.